In Excel, you can easily move or copy data to another cell using Cut, Copy, and Paste. Cut removes text. To cut, click on a cell. Then, click the Cut button in the ribbon. Cut saves the data to something called the clipboard, part of the computer's memory. To move the text, click on another cell. Then, click the Paste button in the ribbon. Copy duplicates text. To copy the data in an active cell, click the Copy button in the ribbon. Then, select another cell and click Paste. These actions also have keyboard commands. When you have text selected, you can cut it by holding the Control key and pressing X on the keyboard. You can copy by holding down Control and pressing C, and you can paste text with Control and the V key. You can also cut, copy, and paste multiple cells at the same time. Click and hold the mouse and drag the cursor over multiple cells. Then click Cut or Copy. To paste the text, click on another cell and click Paste. The data will paste into several cells at the same time.